Hey, I'm on to my day 2 of writing the last steps of my novel. Giving you a quick update, it has been a blast putting some extra posts on my Facebook friend page and asking questions, asking for input, asking for ideas. I've already changed some key character names because of the ideas that my friends gave. That's what's so great about the time that we live in right now. We can interact and be connected to people no matter where we live, what we are doing. And what I've really been enjoying is taking the little breaks of walking around New York City. As I am diving right back in after this last break, I wanted to stop and capture this feeling and emotion of what it's like to walk around New York City, hearing so many different accents, languages, and just different styles to the way that people carry themselves. What is really powerful and really exciting is knowing that everyone here is working on a dream, whether it's a vacation, a getaway, a chance to finally visit, or they come here all the time, or they're a regular, they live here, they're always doing things. Last night I went out and enjoyed going to a local Irish pub. And I just kind of sat up there and watched to see how people interacted with each other. And sitting at the bar, you interact with the bartenders a little bit, and then you kind of look to see who's just sitting there, who's hoping for a conversation, hoping for a connection. Those that were together weren't very observant of anybody else. And so I was noticing this. And then the people that were by themselves were trying to figure out ways to get a conversation started with someone. And so I observed for quite a while, and then there was a funny expression this gentleman next to me made about some sampling of a beer he tried. And then we started up a conversation, and we didn't stop until I was just too tired and had to call it a night. But what was so much fun is the spontaneousness of getting to know somebody new unexpectedly. And like a new pen pal. I'm not going to be living here right now, but it's having someone that when I do visit, I can connect. And it was wonderful to share all the greatness about Portland, and then he was sharing all the great things about his travels. And it just made for another memory of the experience that I'm having in New York City. And then this morning, I got a chance to have breakfast with a friend who actually is somebody also that I met through a random bumping into each other 9 years ago when I was visiting New York City. And we've just kept in touch over the years. So let yourself start opening up to the possibilities of who you might meet, who you're supposed to get to know, who you never know that you're actually supposed to have a connection with. It's so important that you take advantage of the possibilities, the opportunities that are brought forward to you. So I want to know what you're doing to make your dreams come true, build friendships, give opportunities for new connections, and get out and just enjoy this wonderful, amazing world that we are living in. It is so incredible. As I sit and enjoy time before I make a friend, or if I just go to get some food, I like to just sit and observe and hear conversations and watch people's mannerisms and interactions with one another. There are just such incredible opportunities out there for you. The question is, what are you going to do about it? I am Jacqueline the Wake in Your Future, and I am recapping my journey to writing my novel. What are you working on today?